Dearest heart, you are not meant to achieve every goal. Some goals are only meant to get you moving. They are only something to aim for, something that keeps you moving so that you can reach the point where fate and the universe can intervene and lead you to even better. That is why flexibility is key. Stay open and aware for those opportunities and people that come onto your path and into your life. Be open and flexible in your plans and approach to your goals and desires. With the faith that the universe will at times intervene and lead you to even greater. Give yourself more credit for creating. You have gotten up after being knocked down and pushed forward without knowing where you were going. You created breakthroughs from breakdowns and breakups. If you want to be happy on purpose. When you wake up in the morning, you cannot just wait and see what kind of day you will have. You have to decide what kind of day you will have. Higher thoughts, higher energy, higher vibrations, higher frequencies. God will change you if you seek Him with your whole heart. Don't be in a hurry for God to finish working in your life. We want everything to be done instantly, but God is not interested in our schedule. Type Amen if you believe in God.